All right, Lightning, Blue Jackets, Game 3. Victor Hedman out with an injury. Nikita Kucherov suspended. Here's Kucherov before the game.
Next question.
Have you said anything to your teammates?
Next question.
What can you guys do to get back into this series? It seems like you got
win the game, I guess.
Well, dang. Scoreless in the second. Off a rebound, Matt Duchene scores his second goal of the playoffs. The Lightning have not lost 3 in a row this entire season. They only lost 11 road games in the regular season. Moments later, Columbus on the power play.
To keep things a little simpler. Texier. Bjorkstrand shot, scores! Power play goal! 2-0 Columbus!
Game of zones, eh? Tampa Bay had the best penalty kill this season, giving up their 4th power play goal of the series. Not looking good. 2-0 Columbus through 2. The crowd in Columbus go wild, but meanwhile, look at the crowd in Florida. Salty. Skip to the final minute. 2-1 Columbus. The Bolts with an empty net. Look at the Blue Jackets coaching staff up on the bench to watch that thing go in. That gives Columbus a 3-1 lead. Tampa showing frustration late. Riley Nash hits Steven Stamkos. Anthony Cirelli comes to his defense. That starts a scrum. Stamkos without a single point in the series gives Nick Foligno a shot to the face. He goes right after Stamkos. The Bolts have been outscored 12-2 since the second period of Game 1. Columbus now with a 3-0 series lead for the first time in franchise history. 3-1, your final.